And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, temperatures this midday are going to be into the upper 70s to around 80. 80 Attica, 80 out in Kentland, 77 Rochester, 80 there. Peru, the Grissom Air Force Base, and 78 in Kokomo. Pretty mild and muggy out there. We've been watching this complex all morning long. It started out in Iowa and has slowly made its way into central Illinois. You can see the severe thunderstorm watch, even a few severe thunderstorm warnings associated with this. It had some tornadoes in western Illinois and Iowa, but now it's kind of starting to dissipate a little bit, kind of break apart, but still seeing a few of those stronger cells within that. I'll zoom in a little bit. They may reach our border between Indiana and Illinois, but we will continue to see the kind of disintegrating or dissipating trend of this system and for the next couple of hours. So we may see a few raindrops out of this. We will see. We'll watch the radar very closely. But here's the latest futurecast coming in. So there's those showers. A few storms may develop to our southwest that may work in here as soon as maybe 4 or 5 o'clock. Some could be on the stronger side, but once we get toward the evening, I think another line will start to form. This is 8, 9 o'clock. Models have been all over the place today because of this system that's to our northwest, kind of wreaking havoc on kind of potential solutions that may occur and how it will kind of modify or change the atmosphere later today. So we're going to watch the radar closely. This is going to come down to a kind of a nowcasting, what we call nowcasting, where it's kind of hour by hour, watch the radar. But we'll keep you updated on our social media pages, but stay weather aware. We'll likely have just a kind of a secondary line very early tomorrow morning. Not severe, just a couple isolated showers for your Saturday very early in the morning. Then we clear out. Saturday, the rest of the day, very nice, very comfortable. That north wind refreshing about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but we are nice and sunny. Sunday, a completely different story. We change that wind now to the southeast, and that's when we'll start to see a warm front begin to pass through. This is kind of round one for some showers and storms. Some could be stronger with this, with damaging winds being the main threat. But then we clear out midday, we'll have more sun, it gets muggy, the atmosphere starts to regenerate and starts to develop some storms, and each one of these little cells could be what we call a supercell, a very strong storm conducive to large hail, damaging winds, and even tornadoes Sunday evening. So we'll watch for this very closely as it could go into the overnight hours as well. Then we clear out for Monday with maybe some lingering showers late Monday or into Monday, going into Monday evening. So nonetheless, for this evening, I'm going to call it just kind of a wide range here from 5 to about midnight. Level 2, slight risk for the entire viewing area. Damaging winds looks to be the main threat, and we are already underneath a level 3 enhanced risk out of 5 for damaging winds, large hail, tornadoes, all threats here, even localized flooding. Lafayette southwestwards at level 3, level 2 slight risk to the northeast, so some severe storms likely here on Sunday, but we will keep you updated. Localized flooding could be a potential as well. We could see somewhere between 1, 2, 2.5 inches with some of the stronger cells, 2.5 plus locally. That storm kind of just sits there and this stays for a little bit. But overall, though, those storms this afternoon, stay weather aware. After about 5, 6 o'clock, we'll have those storms throughout the evening. Highs will be in the mid-80s. Tomorrow, a much better day. A lot of sunshine. Highs upper 70s to around 80. North wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then Sunday, again, the other day to watch and the better chance for more storms in the afternoon. Sorry, race fans down in Indy. We'll watch the radar very closely for the next several days and see how this kind of works out here. We still have a couple of days to really hammer that forecast out, but the ingredients are there for some strong storms Sunday. Scattered rain and windy, a little cooler there, 72 Monday, and then we'll dry out for the middle of the work week with rising temperatures back in the 80s by next weekend.